Alright guys, here it is, my furnace update. I finished enclosing it. Show y'all what this thing looks like. Get across this right here. Alright. Believe it or not, this thing right here is absolutely awesome. I mean, it sucks that heat right up through there. Heat builds up inside there and it just takes it on in the house. Works really well. And that heat exchange goes down through the floor, down, down, down. It goes out under the house into the ductwork in the house. So no, I haven't sealed it up. Basically, I want it to collect, but right here, really feel it sucking air right here. And that's exactly what I wanted it to do. Alright, so there it is. She's sucking up the heat.